Curb appeal is more than just a buzzword. It's the first impression your home gives to neighbors, guests, and even potential buyers. In Ferndale, where a mix of historic charm and modern design defines many neighborhoods, upgrading your entryway with a replacement door can dramatically enhance your home's exterior. Beyond function, today's replacement doors are stylish, durable, and energy efficient, making them one of the most impactful home improvements you can invest in. A first impression that lasts. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. A faded, outdated, or damaged door can diminish the entire look of your property, no matter how well kept the rest of it may be. A replacement door instantly refreshes your home's exterior, creating a warm and welcoming entry point. In Ferndale's competitive housing market, this detail can make your home stand out for all the right reasons. From bold, modern designs with sleek glass inserts to classic wood grain finishes that echo Ferndale's historic homes, the right replacement door can highlight your property's character while boosting curb appeal. Style options to fit every home. One of the greatest benefits of replacement doors today is the wide variety of styles and materials available. Homeowners in Ferndale can choose from fiberglass doors. Known for their durability and low maintenance, they can mimic the look of natural wood without the upkeep. Steel doors. Strong and secure, steel doors also offer sleek finishes that fit modern homes. Wood doors. Perfect for traditional homes, wood offers timeless beauty and customization options. Glass inserts. Add natural light to your entryway and create a stylish focal point. With these choices, you can select a door that complements your home's architecture while reflecting your personal taste. Energy efficiency that pays off. Ferndale experiences all four seasons, from chilly winters to warm summers. A drafty, inefficient door can drive up your energy bills and make your home less comfortable. Replacement doors are designed with insulated cores, advanced weather stripping, and energy-efficient glass, all of which help keep indoor temperatures stable year-round. Not only does this save you money on heating and cooling, but it also makes your home more eco-friendly. Energy-efficient upgrades are especially appealing to environmentally conscious buyers, further boosting your home's value. A boost in home value. Curb appeal and property value go hand in hand. According to real estate experts, a new front door consistently ranks among the top home improvements for return on investment. In Ferndale, where pride of ownership is evident throughout the community, a fresh, high-quality door signals that your home is well maintained. If you're considering selling, this upgrade can make your property more attractive to buyers. Even if you're staying put, you'll enjoy the benefits of a stylish, secure, and efficient entryway every day. Low maintenance, long-term benefits. Older doors often require frequent repainting, repairs, or adjustments to stay functional and attractive. Replacement doors, especially fiberglass and steel options, are built to withstand everyday wear and tear while resisting warping, fading, or denting. This means less maintenance for you and a consistently polished look for your home. Making a statement in your neighborhood. Ferndale is known for its mix of vibrant, eclectic homes, from mid-century modern gems to charming bungalows. A replacement door allows you to highlight your home's individuality. Whether you prefer a bold color that stands out or a subtle, elegant design that blends seamlessly, your front door can become a statement piece that elevates the entire property. Final thoughts. A replacement door is more than just an upgrade, it's a transformation. For homeowners in Ferndale, it's a chance to enhance curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, and increase property value, all while making a lasting impression. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to enjoy a more beautiful and functional home, investing in a replacement door is a smart, stylish choice that delivers both immediate and long-term benefits.